Hello everyone, what's up guys? My name is Chirag Bansal and you guys are watching your own YouTube channel Chirag's International Student Hub. Those who are watching my video for the first time, my name is Chirag Bansal and I am enrolled in Seneca College for Nursing Leadership and Management program. So today's video is for those whose medical has expired or is about to expire, and also for those who are going for their medical for the first time. If you want to get your medical done, either your medical has expired or you are going for an upfront medical examination, you should choose the physician that is listed in the panel physician list, which is approved by IRCC. I will put the link to that list in the description box. You can choose the physician from that list according to your country and your state. You cannot simply go to any of the physician and get your medical done. You have selected your physician. Now it's time to book an appointment. Call the institution or physician, book an appointment and prepare your documents. Now let's talk what all document you are required for your upfront medical examination. What is upfront medical examination? Upfront medical examination means that you are going for medical examination before filing your visa. That is, you are going for your medical examination for your first time. So the list of documents that you are required during that time is: first is your passport, second is 3 photocopies of your passport, third is your photograph, and fourth one is your offer letter. These 4 documents are required during your upfront medical examination. The list of documents will remain same even if your medical has expired. The only change that will take place is that you will require an additional form, that is IMM 1017E form, instead of your offer letter, and you will receive that form on your GCK account. This is how the IMM 1017E form looks like. This contains a IME number. The IME number stands for Immigration Medical Exam Number, which is generated by IRCC. You need to make sure that when your medical examination is done, the medical tracking sheet contains the same number. You are required to submit the medical examination within 90 days of receiving this form. Now the question is, what to do if your medical is about to expire and you have not received the IMM 1017E form yet? Should you go for your medical examination by yourself or not? So I would not recommend any one of you to go for medical examination by yourself. I would suggest you to wait for the form or wait for the request from High Commission for your repeat medical, as they will provide you the form and also the IME number. Without that, there will be no use of that medical. As you cannot upload your medical, the physician will directly upload your medical on your file through this IME number. The physician has been selected, documents are ready, you have understood what to do if your medical has expired. Now the thing is, what happens at the medical center? So when you go to the medical center, they give you a form to fill. After filling that form, they will click a photograph of the medical tracking sheet, and after the photograph, they will measure your blood pressure, height and weight, and the physician will do a head-to-toe examination and ask for your previous illness or your previous medical history. As soon as the physician's head-to-toe examination is done, they will send you for the chest x-ray, and for your lab investigation they will take your blood sample, and also they will give you urine container to give your urine sample. The main thing to note here is that you don't need to go empty stomach for the medical examination, And also you need to tell them if you are having any tattoo on your body. This whole process usually takes 2 to 3 hours, and you need to pay extra amount if you are having any tattoo on your body. So the amount you have to pay differ according to the institution or according to the physician. Like I had my medical examination in New Delhi. So in New Delhi there are two centers. First one is Sadhu Vaswani Mission Medical and the second is Max. The price in Sadhu Vaswani Mission Medical is around 5350 rupees, and in Max it is around 6300 rupees. So the Sadhu Vaswani Mission Medical is around 1000 rupees cheaper than the Max. So this was all about the medical examination for Canada immigration. I hope this video will help you out and help you make your decision whether to go for your medical by yourself or wait for the request from High Commission. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.